Hello friends, today we will start with chapter number 7, models. What are models? Models we can say as can, could, they are verbs and they are used with main verbs to complete a sentence. They could be ability, power, or they could be for to make a wish or to have any permission. They are used to complete, not only to complete a sentence, but also it gives meaning to the main verb. Okay, the more and more examples and exercises we are going to do on models, you will understand the use of it. Okay, I will explain this thing in examples and the exercises. Now here we have to fill these models can, could, may, might in these exercises. The first one has been done for you, and so we are going to do come on second one. Meeta's parents permit her to go on excursion. Possibility, wherever the possibility will come or the permission will come, we are going to use may or might. Okay, so here we have used may. Meeta's parents may permit her to go on the excursion. They may or they may not. So that is the possibility. Third one, can we join our friends after we finish our work? Here the person is requiring a permission that can we join our friends after we had finished our work. Fourth, Larry might hold an exhibition of his paintings. He might or he might not. Fifth, can I borrow your dictionary for a day? This is again a request, a permission. Then sixth, you could pay the bills on time. Okay, so this is gentle reapproach. This is something a person is explaining to another person that you could pay the bills on time. Seventh is may the sisters have a great time together. This is a wish that may the sisters have a great time together. Eighth, Kavita eats less so that she could lose weight. So what is the purpose of losing weight? To eat less. Sorry, what is the purpose of Kavita is why she is eating less? That is to lose weight. So again there is a possibility, approach, as it's been given in a bracket, the purpose, the possibility. So we are using here could. In another exercise we are filling the blanks with either will, would, shall or should. So here we are going we would know where to use will, where to use would, where are we going to use shall or should. First has been done for you. The second one, they shall receive the payment this evening. Again this is a future tense. Okay, here it is not only a future tense but future present tense. It's also giving a promise. They shall receive the payment this evening. Now there have been promises that they would definitely receive the payment. Third, he should study harder. Now this is again an advice that one should study harder. Fourth one, shall I go to mall to buy a present for mother? So this is interrogative. Okay. Fifth, I will try my best to make amends. This is determination. Again it is future tense, though in future he would make some kinds of amendments, but this is also showing a person's determination, a willingness to do his best. Sixth, I will help father to wash his car. Again this is the willingness that he wanted to help his father. Seventh, you shall not carry a mobile phone to the auditorium. So here we are giving a command. Okay, like in schools we give command, teachers give command to students, or anywhere where the commands are being given. For example in military services or any kind of offices, where the command are being given by a boss to the employees. So eighth one, if she would see us talking, she will be miffed. Now this is again a possibility. This is the condition here being given, but this is a possibility that if she would see us talking, she will be miffed. Okay. Now another form of modals are need, dare, must, used to, ought to. How we are going to use it? Exercise is being given and we are going to fill in the blanks. The first one has been done for you, and the second one we are going to come on second one. I think he ought to be more responsible. That means he should be more responsible. This is again for duty. Third, Neha must have taken the bus to the station. That is the certainty that she must do this. It is an obligatory for her. Fourth, Shraddha is fine. She need not take any medicine. Now since Shraddha is fine, so there is no need for her to take any kind of medicine. Fifth, how dare Pankaj speak so rudely to his seniors. So here not shock and anger, okay, in bracket it's been given. So means a person is being very angry and is being challenging another person, that how dare Pankaj speak so rudely to his seniors. Sixth one, need I meet the principal today. This is interrogative. Seventh, Beena must learn Spanish if she plans to take up a job in Madrid. This is the necessity that she has to learn Spanish if she is planning to take up a job in Madrid. That's in Spain. Eighth, I am not used to walking barefoot. This shows that he is not accustomed to walk barefoot, since the foot normally hurts if you are going to walk barefoot. So here in the bracket it's been used accustomed. So we are going to use I am not used to walking barefoot. Now here last exercise, here we have to fill the blanks with can, K, might, should, would, must, used to, or ought to complete this conversation. Rohit said, would you give me a set of color pencil please? Shopkeeper, of course. Would you like a set of 12 pencils or a set of 24 pencils? So again here a possibility. Rohit, I think I will take a set of 12 pencils. Now he is sure that he will take a set of 12 pencils. Shilpa, can I have an eraser and packet of chips? Now she is requesting, Shilpa is requesting that can she have an eraser and a packet of chips? Shopkeeper, may I give you some chocolates too? Now here the shopkeeper is asking for the permission that he may give her some chocolates also. Shilpa, no thank you. I used to eat chocolates but I don't eat them anymore. Now Shilpa is trying to explain her thing that she was accustomed to eat chocolates earlier but now she don't eat them anymore. Then Ritesh, that's good Shilpa, we should never eat too many chocolates, they are harmful for our teeth. So this is something a duty that we should never eat too many chocolates. Rohit, I think we must eat them once in a while but not often. Rohit gave a suggestion that I think we must eat them once in a while but not regularly. Sheetal, yes, we should take care of our health and remain fit. This is the obligation that we should take care of our health. Shopkeeper, now you must collect your purchases. Goodbye. Shopkeeper is commanding that they should collect all their purchases and then he is bidding them goodbye. So with this we have completed models. If there is any kind of problem, please write your problems in the comment box. Thank you.